Welcome to Know Your Hood. It is another blessed day, and we are here with Mohammed Blakk to experience what tea ritual is about. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to Third Space. I am Daniel Mauli Quist, founder and creative director here at Third Space. Today we have another tea ritual, and we're going to be hosting, and we are hosting um, Mohammed Usmanu, who is popularly known as Mohammed Blakk, brilliant creator, creative in Ghana. Could you tell us a little bit about what attire means to you?
Okay. Attire means unity to me. Yeah. Because
Oh,
it unites us in the yeah,
amazing. Attire means unity to you, and unity is like the key thing.
the key thing. So today I'm here to celebrate our culture. Attire is not just tea. Attire is part of our culture. Because I'm from a Zongo community, and we have a tea ceremony. Yeah, in every Muslim home. Yeah.
This evening, what type of attire are you going to be sharing with people?
Okay, I'm going to share the Moroccan tea, which is a North African. Morocco, Algeria, Egypt. That's what I just shared.
Okay,
And then we also have the West African type.
okay.
Yeah.
So we have a combination of North African and West African attire, and some of the West African attire would have what kind of ingredients?
Okay, some of the West African we add ginger, cloves, cinnamon. Yeah.
Nice, nice. Um,
And then with the North African attire, they only use mint with
okay,
the gunpowder tea. Yeah.
nice. So, what do you wish for people to take away from this tonight's experience that you're about to share with the rest of them?
Okay. Oh, okay. So I want a lot of people think attire is a bad thing, like it's like alcohol or something. Like attire is something bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. They think attire is like a hard drug or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Important, where men come together every evening to really brew this tea and share amongst themselves. And so, showing us that today, to him, he did say this to me. He said, for him, attire means it means unity, and so that is part of the reason why he decided to share this with us, to bring together that community and to show that unity that exists within the Zongo community, which is also something that we needed to learn about. Also, he wanted us to also understand that, there is a very strong cultural leaning from the Fulani people, who, and within the time where they move around, they are able to commune and sit and then share this tea. So these are some of the things that we've had to learn, but there's more to also learn. So please also find him on Instagram at Mohammed Blakk, and Mohammed and the Blakk is BLAKK. Mohammed Blakk on Instagram as well. So cheers, and we hope that you share in the tea ritual with us.
Aw, anyame yo. Leba ni to woni ke.
Oke ole no he wani eto woni. Le, macho no he wo. Ya ona shika boka yeye. Ya ona shika boka yeye. Benye. Chaka 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 chaka. Ya ona shika boka yeye. Ya ona shika boka yeye. Esabo jabo kala jabo.
Oh, I am Daniel Mauli Quist, founder of Third Space here in Osu. I am excited about this evening, and I want to really welcome everybody into this space. And tonight we are having and hosting another tea ritual. This evening it's about attire, and we're hosting Mohammed Usmanu, who is an amazing creator and creative here in Accra. To the man of the moment, Mohammed Usmanu. This evening, also known as Mohammed Blakk, this evening, I'm so excited, I'm so hyped. Please, how has your experience been so far sharing your tea ritual, your attire process with people?
I'm super
You're
excited. I'm super excited. I wasn't expecting.
You for talk loud for inside.
Yeah, I'm super excited. I wasn't expecting a lot of people. I thought it was a normal tea
What
vibe.
flavors and blends do we have?
We have like three more.
We for talk
We have three more flavors
to experience.
to experience.
Amazing,
Yeah.
amazing. We're really looking forward to it. And please, you're going to have to tell us more about this later on. And I hope you're ready.
I'm ready.
And he wants to tell you about the attire that you're having. We're going to have a series of different attires this evening to, really just celebrate ourselves. So, which one, Mohammed? Which attire are they having, and what are they going to have next?
Okay, what they had earlier before this, that's the Moroccan attire. That one
Okay.
is made with mint,
Okay,
and then this is our normal Ghanaian one.
okay.
Yeah. So this is attire with prekese.
Attire with
Yeah.
prekese. Nice.
Has a lot of benefits.
Whoa.
Yeah.
It has a lot of benefits. Yeah, you believe. Okay, so the next one that they are going to have is
Lemongrass.
lemongrass attire.
Yes.
Okay, so we're in it. So please feel free, enjoy yourselves, and once again, welcome to Third Space. Don't hesitate, and we're going to have a wonderful long evening. Obaji, I do so.
Ina mi bɛka deɛ.
And I want to
Hwee nim na mede yɛ man.
for attire.
Monhyia nsama. Nti mekasa na yɛ sɛ flavour ne wura me mfini.
Cheers.
Ɛne sɛ Mike hyɛ mɛtumi anom.
Wait me anom.
Saa.
Anom na kasa. But I was on the bell. So the
Saa.
bell kasa akum.
Yes,
Cheers. Mr. O, can you tell us who you are and what you feel and what you think about tea ritual and especially attire this evening?
Okay.
Also
I'm
on the
Josephine.
bell.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm Josephine. Actually, this is my first time tasting attire.
Really?
Yes.
What do you think?
I think it's nice,
Eh,
but
Mama, hold your-
I like the prekese.
The prekese.
Yeah, it's really new to me. It tastes herbal.
Okay.
Yes, and
Okay.
I think I like that one.
Okay. Have you tasted the lemongrass
Oh
one?
yes, I'm done with my own self.
Okay. So the lemongrass is also. But what do you think about the lemongrass attire?
Oh, actually, the lemongrass is okay. Sorry, the lemon flavor is okay, but it doesn't really. It tastes too sweet.
Okay, so you would go for the
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 prekese,
prekese with a
yeah.
slightly
You
bitter
get it.
flavor
Yes.
at the back.
Yes.
But I was say,
Oh,
what
and no, to me say, ebe ye niyama wo ye system ni mu.
Sir,
What you say?
I know.
Aha.
Charlie, please follow us on Instagram at the Third Space.
Oh, I'm already doing that.
Hi, Majid.
Hello.
Hi, Majid's sister. Big sister. Hey, little brother.
Yes,
So how far? How has the evening been for you? What do you think about the tea ritual? And what do you think of the attires that you've had so far? I believe this is not your first time of having attire.
I mean, it's been amazing. When my sister wanted me to come with her, at first I was kind of reluctant because she's always into stuff like this,
Yeah.
and I'm not really into outing. But then I've come and I've not been disappointed. The tea has been amazing. I tried the first one; it was nice. The second one too was amazing. Lemongrass. I didn't even know you could make tea out of grass, but I found that out today. So
You
that's
see,
an amazing thing. Yeah.
amazing. I'm glad that you're having a great time. What's your language? Okay. Please, I would love for you to tell me, because I mean, you and I, we already engaged a little bit already. But my name, if I make that mic, yes, there we go. So, tell me, so far, how many attires have you tasted?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Okay, is this going to be your third one?
I don't know if there's a third one.
Oh, there's a third one coming.
There's a third one. Okay, then I'm waiting for it.
So tell me, what was the second one like?
I think it was okay.
It was okay?
It was nice. I didn't think I would like it, like I told you the first time. I liked the second one too. So the first was okay. The second one too, I liked it too.
Nice
I'm
one.
waiting for the third one.
For the third one?
Yeah.
Please,
I hope I like that one too.
please stop. And also follow Know Your Hood on YouTube. Follow Know Your Hood.